Here are 5 slang and idioms to speak and sound more like a native speaker. First up is in the bag. This means that something is certain to happen or achieve. With your skills, passing the exam is in the bag. Keep up the good work. This phrase means that someone is doing great and should continue to do so. Top notch means something is of high quality or excellent. For example, your English video was top notch. You're a natural means someone is talented or skilled in doing something without much effort. Which expression is your favorite? Let us know in the comments down below.